funny nose.
Get your ranger even now. Good. Whoops. And then get out of the circle a little bigger. Okay. Big enough so that when you hit her, I want you to look where you want to go. You see your circle? Yeah. Get out there and a little bigger and look for your circle. That girl. There you go. And when you're ready, sit head down.
I did. I got it. Oh my gosh, that was hilarious. Oh, pony.